Buying a luxury home has become a popular trend, but with the high cost of buying a home, many buyers are now opting to rent instead. However, if you're still interested in buying a luxury home, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you should find a home that fits your needs and lifestyle. You should find a home that is in a neighborhood that you like. Let's check out some of the luxury properties this 2022 in this part 4 of the Best Luxury Home series.
Hello and welcome to Luxury Premier, the ultimate destination for dreamers pursuing insight. And if you're here with us, it's not a coincidence that you are watching this video. Here in Luxury Premier, we only want what is best for you. May our videos inspire you and hope that all of your dreams may come true.
When you're thinking about purchasing a luxury home, you should first consider what type of luxury home you would like to purchase. You can purchase a luxury home that has a classic, formal, or modern design. You can also purchase a luxury home that has a contemporary design, modern design, or rustic design. Luxury is defined as a quality or condition that is distinguished by a great difference in degree or magnitude. Luxurious properties of the rich are the qualities that many wealthy people possess. Whether or not they are recognized by society, luxurious properties are often attributed to a lifestyle that is different from the average person. While the Mediterranean coast isn't known for towers, the Tour Odeon Tower, Europe's second tallest building and home to the most expensive property on the market, has created quite a stir. The 35,000 square foot Sky Penthouse, which is located along the French Riviera in Monaco, has 5 stories, a gigantic infinity pool with its own water slide, 5 bedrooms, a home cinema, and a kitchen on each story. This magnificent penthouse embodies everything of Monaco's glamour and glam. Monaco is an excellent location for such a luxurious edifice because it's known as a shelter for the world's wealthiest and most famous. The penthouse is located on the top of a 560-foot tower with 70 luxury apartments and includes all of the building's popular amenities, including a fitness center, spa, and pools, as well as retail shops, a 24-hour concierge, and entertainment options such as a private theater and club. The Sky Penthouse is the epitome of luxury living, with views of the beautiful Mediterranean Sea and the French Riviera. It is the world's most expensive condominium with a price tag of $400 million, and only a select few can afford it. The penthouse's exterior amenities, which include a rooftop terrace connected to an infinity pool and a sun deck by a water slide, provide spectacular 360-degree views of the brilliant blue waters below. The penthouse, which spans 5 floors of living space, is certainly La Tour Odeon's crown jewel. 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a home theater are available in the penthouse. As if that wasn't extravagant enough, each floor has its own kitchen. Despite the tremendous wealth symbolized by Monaco's citizens, hotels, and ambience, the Tour Odeon stands out, displaying a lifestyle that most people can only dream about. Monaco's reputation as a playground for the super rich has been enhanced by this lavish structure, which will soon be one of the most sought-after addresses in the Mediterranean. Another one, Clifton 2A, is a 3-story magnificent residence in an elite district of Cape Town, South Africa, with spectacular 270-degree views of the Atlantic Ocean, Camps Bay, and the 12 Apostles further beyond. The entertainment room is a rich, detailed, contemporary living room located north of the main stairway. To the south, the family room, kitchen, dining room, and lounge all flow effortlessly onto the centrally located external terrace, which, while raised, is shielded by the skillfully rotated bedroom wings above, while views out are considerably improved. A blue mosaic rim flow pool stretches the length of the terrace, bringing the sea and sky indoors. The second floor family bedrooms have broad vistas and luxurious decor. All rooms include private balconies, dressing rooms, and en-suite bathrooms. The main en-suite is lush and serene, with all white furnishings and views of the park. Central skylights bringing natural light into an internal area encircled by full-height woodwork, emphasizing the dressing room's linearity. The master bedroom is pushed forward as though shoved towards the seaside, while clerestory windows wonderfully capture another view up to the cable station and Table Mountain. The opulent live-in haven's off-shutter concrete wall contrasts with sleek stained wood paneling and natural timber floors and is completed with a customized fireplace with a weathered horton conical flue and polished concrete base. The luxury home market is one of the most sought-after markets for high-end homes. People are always looking for the perfect place to live. They want a place that is luxurious, stylish, and everything that they have always wanted. When people find a home that is what they're looking for, they are often willing to pay a premium for it. People are often willing to pay a premium for a home that they know they will enjoy and that they feel they deserve. They know they will be able to enjoy their home and will want to use it to host parties and get-togethers. So when picking a luxury home, it's just okay to think of the guest that will visit you in the future. And our next feature is a good example of that. Palazzo de Amore's entryway is flanked by 70-year-old olive trees and leads to an entertainment complex where up to 250 guests can enjoy a unique dining experience. A 50-seater theater, a bowling alley, and a ballroom with a spinning floor are all part of the 15,000 square foot entertainment complex. A DJ booth and a laser light system are also available. A 128-foot reflecting pool and fountain, a tennis court, a gorgeous waterfall and swimming pool, a spa, and a wonderful barbecue area are all included in this price. The opulent estate even has its own private label vineyard, capable of producing between 400 and 500 cases of wine per year. As a result, you could argue that this property is both an investment and a forceful social statement. Palazzo de Amore also contains two large wine cellars, one with a capacity of 3,000 bottles and the other with a capacity of 10,000 bottles. In addition, the parking lot can hold 150 automobiles and the garages can hold 27 cars, from a total of roughly 53,000 square feet, including an entertainment complex and a guest house. The main residence features over 35,000 square feet of exquisite living space. The home comes with a floating-style glass floor promenade over pools, as well as 12 bedrooms and 23 bathrooms, including a gigantic 5,000 square foot master suite. Another estate worth mentioning because of its beauty is Villa Leopoldo. Villa Leopoldo is situated on an 18-acre plot of land. Overall, it paints a breathtaking, lovely vision. Perched in a prominent position with sweeping views of the sea and facing a green valley with pine forests. The name Villa Leopoldo comes from the fact that it was created in 1902 for King Leopold II with a price tag of $750 million. It is the second most expensive privately owned home and third overall. On the French Riviera, the home lies in Alpes Maritimes. Edmond Safra, a Lebanese financier, purchased Villa Leopoldo in 1987 and his wife Lily Safra currently owns it. It was once a military hospital during World War I and has appeared in films such as To Catch a Thief and The Red Shoes. Due to its exquisite design, Villa Leopoldo is regarded as one of the world's greatest works of art. The house is surrounded by a beautiful setting with dense trees and beige and pink steps that remain. The villa is situated on an 18-acre plot of land and features 19 bedrooms, a movie theater, sports courts, an outdoor kitchen, a greenhouse, swimming pools, a bowling alley, and formal gardens. The benefits of living in luxury homes are plentiful. First off, the homes are beautiful. You will find many different styles of luxurious homes, from the traditional Mediterranean to modern Scandinavian. The homes are usually have a lot of space to accommodate large families. This is especially important for those with multiple kids. You will also find that the homes are usually built with a lot of high-end appliances and features. This means that you will be able to cook and clean the home with ease. You should also find a home that is built in a way that you can easily maintain, such as an open floor plan or a home with a lot of natural light. The cost of living in luxury homes can often be seen in the higher taxes, higher utility bills, and higher maintenance fees. Additionally, the cost of living in luxury homes may also mean that you have to pay a lot of money to live in the area. If you're interested in living in luxury homes, it is essential to do your own research and find out what the cost of living will be.
Today, we hope you learned something new that you will remember for the rest of your life. We'd like to thank everyone who has stayed with us this far. Despite the fact that we have never met, please know that we respect and admire you for choosing to be here today. Thank you for taking the time to speak with us, dreamers. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos.